Guys, today I want to be sharing with you this scope leveling kit. It's going to fit onto scopes that are 30 to 34 millimeter. This is the way it looks. You can see it has that bubble right inside. The nice part about this one is you can see it from both sides. So that's very convenient. This one simply opens up. It has a little screw that's going to go in there. If you want to use the 34, you do it like this. If you're going to be putting it on a 30 millimeter scope, you're going to insert this tube inside like so. You're going to notice right there's a little rubber stopper designed to keep the screw from just falling out, as you can see there. Due to Amazon's guidelines for videos like these, I cannot show this on any type of firearm. But one thing that you can notice, you do not have to take your scope off of your firearm in order to do this. You can leave it right on. You just simply have this one screw right here that you're going to put. So this will easily slide right around even if it's on one. Today, I'm just going to be demonstrating it like this due to those rules and regulations. First, I'm just going to get it nice and level, get that bubble right in the center there. And then I'm going to tighten the screw. And there you can see I had the scope very nice and level there. So if you're looking for a scope leveling tool, this one right here from CB Life, you see it works very well. It fits on both 30 and 34 scopes. So hope this video helps you out a little bit so you get a chance to see this in action.